Thank you Polish customers for choosing to purchase our EA640F2 indoor fixed installation LED screen. This LED screen is known for its excellent visual effects and is designed for high-end indoor applications. The LED module, power supply and receiving card of the EA640F2 are all designed with front service, making maintenance simple and quick. Users can easily replace and repair from the front, avoiding the tedious disassembly process. This screen not only excels in image quality, providing delicate and clear pictures, but also is suitable for conference rooms, exhibition halls and other places that require high-quality visual experience. Its high reliability and durability also make it an ideal solution for indoor fixed installation.